process to reset the counter on Mercury digital control panel. The written process is like this. We will check the actual process. You have to press the menu button, then display will show like this, auto. Then you press the down button or loop button 2 times, so display will show CLR. After CLR is there, you press enter button. Once enter is there pressed, you have to press CFG button 2 times and loop button 1 time. So display is showing RSTP. Now you press the enter button. The display counter is reset to 000 now. Earlier it was 404. So this is the process followed for resetting the